Basakuphefumula kwakhona abo basematyaleni emva kokuba ibhanka yele nguvimba iphinde yacutha inzala ehlawulisa ibhanka zeli nge-100 basis points okanye ngo-1% yaba ngu-4.25%. Ibhanka enguvimba ikwenza oku njengoko izama ukucutha ulwamvila lwentsholongwane ye-corona kuqoqosho lweli nolutsala nzima.
Ibhange lombuso lithi ukwelulwa kwesikhathi sokuvalwa kwezomnotho ezweni ikona okwenza ukuthi lithathe isinqumo sokuphinda lehlise kakhulu intela yemali ebolekiwe.
When we had the March meeting, yes, COVID-19 was here. We didn't know that there was going to be a lockdown. Then there was the lockdown and we were busy assessing the effects of the lockdown. Whilst we were assessing the effects of the lockdown got extended last week, Thursday. And so we spent the weekend, the whole long weekend, the good men and women at the SAP didn't have Easter weekend. They spent the whole Easter weekend trying to figure out what this means for the economy and thus what should the response of the monetary authority should be.
Ngenyanga edlule ibhange lombuso lalilindele ukuthi izinga lokukhula komnotho lehla ngo-0.2% kulonyaka. Kodwa manje lithi izinto sezijike kakhulu kulamasonto amathathu edlule. Lithi isimo sesibi kakhulu manje selilindele ukuthi izinga lomnotho lehle ngamaphesenti ayisithupha wonke. Abacwaningi bezomnotho basishayele ihlombe lesinqumo sebhange lombuso. Kodwa bathi asanele.
It's a timely act. I would argue a little bit too little, too late. They should have done this in the last MPC meeting.
We really need to take all the action that we can. I must add that, monetary policy alone, as the cutting of interest rates aggressively, is unlikely to be enough.
Ibhange lombuso lithi lingase liqhubeka nokwehlisa inzalo yemali ebolekiwe kuze kuphele unyaka. Mbongeni ngisho SABC Goli.